Welcome to Crayola Creativity Week. Today's creative challenge is Keys to Kindness.
Hi, I'm Winslow Fegley, the actor who plays Josh Prim in Lyle Lyle Crocodile, which is now available on digital and Blu-ray. And I'm thrilled to tell you about today's creative challenge. In the movie, Lyle becomes everyone's unexpected friend. It reminds us that we need to keep an open mind and be kind to others and ourselves. For today's challenge, you can draw something where you or a character from this story radiates kindness and becomes friends with someone unexpectedly. Or you can embrace change. So whether it's moving to a new school or cooking up something new, it's okay to rip up the recipe and enjoy something different than originally planned. And for parents and teachers, you can download the daily thinking sheets for today's creative challenge, or have students work on any paper with any art supplies that they have on hand. And be sure to post kids' artwork on social media using #CrayolaCreativity. Let's get creative.